First time flying from an Indian airport? Confused about DigiYatra and self-bag drop? Don't worry, today at Navi Mumbai Airport, I'll show you step by step how to save time and avoid long queues. Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm at Navi Mumbai Airport and I'm going to show you two smart airport features every domestic traveler should know: DigiYatra and self-baggage drop. If you use these correctly, your airport experience becomes much faster and smoother. Let's start with DigiYatra. DigiYatra is a facial recognition-based travel system available at many Indian airports. Before your journey, download the DigiYatra app, register using your Aadhaar, and link your flight ticket. Once you arrive at the airport, instead of showing your boarding pass and ID repeatedly, simply walk to the DigiYatra gate. The camera scans your face and verifies your details automatically, and just like that, gate opens. Less waiting, less paperwork, and a much smoother entry process. Now let's move to one of my favorite airport features, self-bag drop. First, scan your boarding pass at the self-service machine. The screen will guide you step by step. Print and attach the baggage tag carefully to your luggage handle. Place your bag on the belt, ensure it's within airline weight limits, and confirm details on the screen. After verification, your luggage automatically goes into the system. No long check-in queue needed. And that's how you can use DigiYatra and self-bag drop at Indian airports. Have you tried these airport features yet? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next travel adventure.